Canva. Okay, I'm going to show you how I do my thumbnail. So you go create a design. Yeah, I use the website Canva. Okay, so these are some suggested. You can do presentations, videos, posters, and loads of other stuff here. So I'm going to show you how to do a YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, a YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, now you're here. So you have to create like a thumbnail. Yeah, so you can make your background. There's more folders, background, videos, audio, text, elements, photos, and you can upload something. And here's some of you guys that I use in some of my videos. Here, then you can go templates, and I use templates to do my background for my
thumbnail. Thumbnail. Thumbnail.
What is it called? Thumbnail. Sorry. So I'm gonna choose this one, and you can just So you can write stuff here. What should I say? Let's say hi. Oh wait, hi.
And you can move everything. What do you move here? You can move stuff, you can change colour stuff, you can animate stuff. You know how to animate stuff. Like fade, block, pan, and you can just have it on rise. And
The ones with like these crowns, that means you have to pay a little bit of money. And you can put some elements in it.
you can have a horse. You can have lots of other stuff. You just search. You also search. Oh, right here. So you can have it red, but that's not very good. Let's change the background. You can have it white. Okay, no, purple. Change. You change colour. You can change everything. And instead of this, let's call this. Ah! What's that? Here. And if you go to text, you can show all of these different kinds of handwriting. Now you can choose loads. There's loads here.
And you can change the colour of things too. Here, 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 here. And change all of the colours. And yeah, that's how I make my. Oops. That's just how I make it on Canva. Then you can download it here. Yeah, you can make videos. Go back. Create a design. Make a video. Let's make a video. Quite like this one. Yeah.
Subscribe. Then you can see here. Okay. Subscribe. Like this video, please.
And you can change how long you want your scenes. Like this one's 5 seconds and 5.5 seconds, something. And then you can look. You can make the things move like this. Fade, fade. It's quite cool. Block. All of these like stomp, baseline, pop, neon, and scrapbook.
Subscribe.
Guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Take care.